The Telangana Board of Intermediate Education, that is TSBIE, is all set to declare intermediate first year and second year results on the official website. As per the board, the Telangana Board exam results for first year intermediate and second year intermediate exams 2019 will be declared on the official website, the link for which is bie.telangana.gov.in. So, here are some steps for you to follow in order to check your results directly through the official website. Step 1. Visit the official website of the board, that is bie.telangana.gov.in. Step 2. Now choose the option for which you want to see the result, like choose between Telangana first year intermediate result and Telangana second year intermediate result. Step 3. After selecting the option, you will be directed to a new page, like a new page will open on your screen. Step 4. Now enter all the required details. Step 5. After entering all the required details, your result will appear on the screen. Now download the result and take a printout for further reference. All the best.